happy to talk about it. He just has to tell us how we're going to pay for it. It's a few $100 million of revenue to the state. So, if he's able to come with his ideas about how to pay for it, then we ought to talk about it.
Well, I think that's a matter of priorities, Greg. So do we want to maintain and preserve the family farms, or do we just want to let them go by the wayside? And so that's the critical thing there. So that would be up to him to make that decision whether he wants to maintain the farms or not, and it's not up to us to figure out where the cuts come from.
As a matter of fact, I looked at the numbers this morning before I came over. I will tell you, let me tell you that last week, I think it was either Tuesday or Wednesday, last week, we deposited more money than we have ever deposited in the history of the Department of Revenue. In one day, we had $1.6 billion in one day. As my staff likes to say, or the person who handles this, that's a lot of scratch.
We are spending a lot of money on undocumented immigrants in the state right now. So do they think that's more important than preserving our farm legacy, which is our #1 industry in the state? So if you want to continue to generate income and generate revenue, which like I said, our biggest asset in the state is our farm property, then I think you would need to prioritize that over our undocumented immigrants.